In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Don't Starve Together audio or sound not working. We have a few solutions for you. Let's go ahead and go to our first solution. So for our first solution, we are gonna suggest you to actually just restart your game. A simple restart can help you a lot, so try that and see if that fixes your issue. If not, you could try restarting your game again, but this time running it as administrator, as this is our second suggestion that you could try to fix your issue. If not, we can go ahead and go to our third solution, which is to verify file integrity. So to verify your file integrity, go ahead and go to your Steam into your library and just right clicking on the game. So for example, go to properties, go to local files and just click on verify integrity of game files. Our next solution is to check audio output device. Here, just ensure that you are actually using the correct device as your output. So for example, you're using your headset, make sure you're using your headset here. If you're using speaker, make sure you choose the speaker option. Our next solution is to check audio mixer. So to check your audio mixer, just right click on the volume icon here and just go to open volume mixer. A section for your game will appear here. Just make sure it's not muted and you raise the levels on the volume to a significant level where you can actually hear the game. Our final solution is to update the audio device. So to do that, go ahead and go to your Windows search and just type in device manager. Go ahead and open this. Look for sound, video, and game controllers. Go to your output device. It may be your headset or your actual speaker. Just right click on it and just hit on update driver. Here, just select search automatically for drivers. We suggest you to use this option since this will find the driver for you and install it on your PC. Hopefully this video was able to help you a lot. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.